Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to your profile because the visible email is set in Contact Options. Tap Edit Profile, then Contact Options. You'll see the email used for contact. Delete it or replace it with a backup address you control. Do this now so Instagram won't show your primary address in the Contact button. Once done, save changes and confirm the field is empty. That prevents the app from exposing your address to profile visitors. If your account is business or creator, Instagram forces a contact button that can display email. Go to Settings, right arrow Account, and switch to Personal to remove that contact button. This is why changing type matters. Make sure to delete any email you placed in your bio, and unlink or update any connected Facebook page that might re-import contact info. Once you convert and clear those fields, the platform won't show an exposed email on your profile anymore, so double-check both app and web views. Finish by verifying, view your profile as a public visitor or ask a friend to check, because cached or linked accounts can still show the address. Log out, clear the app cache, and reopen Instagram on another device or the web to confirm the change across platforms. If the email still appears, disconnect any linked Facebook pages and revoke third-party app permissions. Sometimes contact data is re-imported. If problems persist, wait up to 24 hours for cache propagation and try removing the email again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.